Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GIT Resolution, and this is your host. In this video, I will show you how you can enable Hyper-V for virtualization on your Windows 11. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, click on search option. In the search bar, type appwiz.cpl. Then press enter or click on this option. Now click on Turn Windows feature on or off. On the next window, click on Hyper-V. Right check here. Make sure both options are selected. Then click on OK. Let this installation complete. It will take some time. Once the installation is complete, click on Restart Now, or you can click on Don't Restart if you want to restart your computer later. I will restart my computer later, so I will click on Don't Restart. Once you restart your computer, you will see Hyper-V has been enabled on your computer for virtualization. So friends, I really hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.